Hey everyone, welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we're in Compton, California at Mertz Del Amo Estates, showcasing the stunning 2023 Silvercrest Bradford Series BD-04. Before we dive into the tour, let me tell you a bit about Mertz Del Amo Estates. We're just a short drive from some of Southern California's best beaches. There's a swimming pool, tennis courts, a gym, green spaces perfect for family time or a relaxing walk, and even a clubhouse. Plus, you have a local convenience store right inside the community, and it's all securely gated with 24/7 security. Oh, and did I mention there's even a chapel here? Truly a community with everything you need. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,248 square feet of beautifully designed space for only $34,900, with space rent at $1,150 a month. It's the perfect home for anyone looking for comfort, style, and affordability. Now, let's take a look at the home. Outside, you've got a spacious carport that can fit 2 cars and extra space for a shed. On the left side of the home, you also have a great spot for gardening or landscaping, letting you customize the exterior to your liking. We enter through the utility room, which has space for a side-by-side washer and dryer. This utility area is a convenient space for laundry or extra storage, and the layout makes it super functional. As we step into the home, you'll notice this amazing open floor plan. There's tons of natural light pouring in through the large windows, and with 9-foot flat ceilings, the space feels even larger. The floors here are a mix of carpet and vinyl, which makes for easy maintenance and comfortable living. Next, let's check out the kitchen. It's fully equipped with white soft closing cabinets, plenty of counter and cabinet space, and stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, including a fridge, gas stove, and dishwasher. You'll also notice the sleek 6-inch backsplash that adds a modern touch. This kitchen has everything you need. Rate this kitchen from 1 to 10 in the comments below. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, with enough room for a 3 to 5 person dining table. Moving to the first 2 bedrooms, these rooms are versatile and can fit full-size or twin XL beds along with end tables. Both rooms come with standard closets and windows that bring in natural light, making them great for kids, guests, or even a home office. Now, let's talk about the guest bathroom. It features a modern sink, a sleek countertop design that matches the kitchen, and a large mirror with great vanity lights. There's also a tub shower combo with a light and a window above the tub, which is a small but very important detail for extra ventilation and natural light. And finally, we arrive at the master suite. This room is spacious enough for a queen-sized bed, and the large window brings in plenty of natural light. It even has a walk-in closet. Attached to it is the master bathroom, which is absolutely stunning. You've got his and her sinks, a standing shower with a light above it, and a window for extra ventilation. The soft closing cabinets match the ones in the kitchen, giving the space a cohesive look. The vanity lights really add a nice touch, providing great lighting and a modern feel. And that wraps up our tour of the 2023 Silvercrest Bradford Series BD-04 here at Mertz Del Amo Estates. If you're interested in this home or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, give us a call, or visit the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly home tours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.